How to fix wsock32.dll missing or not found error. Re-registering the affected file can resolve issues caused by the file not being properly registered in the Windows registry. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Restart your computer to apply the changes. Fix 2. Copy wsock32.dll file from another computer. If another computer you have access to isn't encountering issues with the wsock32.dll file, you can copy this file from that system to yours. This method assumes that the other computer is running a Windows version similar to yours, ensuring compatibility with the DLL file. Sometimes, the program that's showing the error may be the issue. Uninstalling and then reinstalling the software might solve the problem. A system restore reverts your computer's system files and settings to an earlier point in time without affecting personal files. This can resolve the missing wsock32.dll error if the file was accidentally deleted or corrupted recently. Pick the time before the problem occurred and click Next. Follow the prompts to finish the process. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.